and time again that it is not sustainable. Let's look at Hector Finance. Let's look at Time Wonderland. Let's look at PancakeSwap in the very beginning when they had their staking stuff and their liquidity pools and their syrup pools. Let's look at all that stuff. This has been proven that crazy high APY, guys, is not sustainable. All right. How much can you really earn? At the end of a year with $100 worth of PETO, I hate that name, you can earn up to $2 million worth of PETO. You hear this? For the small entry fee of $100, you can earn $2 million worth of PETO. They're saying, yo, you don't got to go big. You don't got to go all in. Just give us a little bit. Don't give us a lot. All right? Still got to feed your family. We know you're still looking for other gains out there. We just want a little bit. Just a little taste of what you got in your wallet. $100. Like, bro, this is, oh my gosh. Check this out. Auto staking, earn PETO gem. They got a little video, little video, the intro of their game, right? They got a promotion. This person's playing it in VR. Another fake commercial. Here's their discover the world of PETO. They want you to invest. There's a demo game, multiplayer zone, connect, play, and chill. So it's like a big giant MMO. All right. So I love MMOs. I just don't like this APY thing that they're trying to. It has its own marketplace in the MMO. Here's the PETO and the PETO gem market. PETO is the project native token, and PETO gem is the governance token that can be earned in the game. So there's those two things. Experience the MMO, the metaverse like never before. So you can play it with an Oculus or whatever you have, I guess. Here's some of the NFTs. I mean, I feel like we're beating a dead horse right here, guys. And this is the real deterrent. Oh, what'd I do? I clicked something. This is the real deterrent. Here's the roadmap. They're on game.